SpongeBob Voice Generator AI free. Here's exactly how to make SpongeBob text-to-speech in 2 minutes. You want that iconic laugh, that high-pitched voice, that bikini bottom energy. Maybe you are making a meme for your group chat, a YouTube video intro, a Discord soundboard for your server, or just messing around with your friends on voice call. Whatever your reason is, I got you covered. The truth is, most voice tools out there are straight up garbage. Robot voices that sound nothing like the character, bad impressions from cheap apps, and every single one hits you with a paywall before you can even test it. But there is one tool that actually delivers: Fish Audio. Fish Audio is a voice cloning platform that lets you create AI voices of any character, including SpongeBob SquarePants. And here is the best part: it is completely free to start. No credit card, no trial, just sign up and go. Let me walk you through the entire process, step by step, everything you need to know. First things first, go to fishaudio.com. The link is in the description right now. You land on a clean homepage, modern design, easy to navigate. Click the sign up button in the top right. You can use your email or sign in with Google. It takes literally 30 seconds. Once you confirm your email, you are in. The dashboard opens up, and this is where the fun begins. Now you have 2 ways to get the SpongeBob voice. Let me cover both. Method number 1, the voice library. This is the easiest way, hands down. Fish Audio has thousands of community uploaded voices in their library. Real users clone voices and share them for everyone to use. Click on the Discovery tab at the top of the dashboard. This opens a searchable library of every public voice on the platform. Type SpongeBob in the search bar. Hit enter. You will see multiple SpongeBob voice models pop up, each one created by a different user. Every model shows you 3 things: a star rating from other users, how many times it has been used, and a play button to hear an audio sample. This is super useful because not all clones are equal. Some users upload better source audio than others. Look for the SpongeBob model with the highest rating, 4 stars or above. Click the play button next to it. A sample plays in a few seconds. Listen carefully. Does it capture that high-pitched, nasally tone? Does the laugh sound right? Does the energy match? If it sounds good, click the Use This Voice button. Now you are on the generation page. There is a text box in the center of the screen. Type whatever you want SpongeBob to say. Anything at all. Maybe, "I am ready. I am ready. I am ready." Classic. Or, "Is mayonnaise an instrument?" Also classic. Or something completely original. Something for your specific project. Hit the Generate button. Fish Audio processes your text. In about 10 to 15 seconds, you get your audio file. A clean MP3 download. Press play, and hear SpongeBob say exactly what you typed. It is that fast, that simple, and it sounds incredibly real. Now, method number 2 is for people who want more control. You clone the voice yourself. This is slightly more advanced, but the results are even better, because you control the source audio quality. Here is how it works. Click on Voice Clone in the sidebar, or go to the Clone tab. You will see an upload area. Drag and drop an audio file here, or click to browse your files. The key is picking the right source clip. It needs to be SpongeBob speaking clearly. 15 to 30 seconds of clean audio. No background music, no sound effects, no other characters talking over him, just his voice. Clean and isolated. You can find clips on YouTube. Just search SpongeBob clean voice lines, or SpongeBob isolated dialogue. Download a short clip. Make sure it meets those requirements. Then upload it. Fish Audio analyzes the audio automatically. It detects the pitch characteristics, the tone, the speaking rhythm, the unique vocal qualities that make SpongeBob sound like SpongeBob. Processing takes about 30 seconds to 1 minute, maybe 2 minutes if the server is busy. When it is done, your custom SpongeBob voice model appears in your library. Click on it. Type your text, generate, done. Now you have unlimited SpongeBob audio generated from your own custom model, and the quality is night and day compared to those cheap text-to-speech websites. Play this for someone who does not know it is AI. They will think someone recorded it in a studio. Here is everything you can do with your SpongeBob voice generator. Make meme videos for Instagram and TikTok. The SpongeBob voice instantly makes any meme funnier. Create YouTube shorts with SpongeBob narrating, tutorials, story times, reaction videos. Build a Discord soundboard. Set up custom sound effects that play when people join your voice channel. Use it in your Twitch streams. Have SpongeBob read your donations or welcome new subscribers. Prank your friends. Call them on Discord and respond with SpongeBob lines. They will lose it. Make custom ringtones. Imagine your phone ringing with SpongeBob's laugh. Create audiobook narration. Yes, someone out there is making SpongeBob audiobooks, and people are listening. Add voiceovers to your gaming videos. SpongeBob commentating on your Fortnite gameplay. It works. Now let me give you 3 pro tips that most people do not know. Pro tip number 1. The quality of your output depends entirely on your input audio. If you are doing a custom voice clone, pick a clip where SpongeBob speaks with energy, not a quiet emotional scene. You want the loud, excited SpongeBob. A 10-second clip of him laughing and yelling beats a 60-second clip of him whispering. Every single time. The AI model learns from what you give it. Feed it energy. It will output energy. Pro tip number 2. Write your text prompts the way SpongeBob actually talks. Do not write, "Good evening, my colleagues. I am proceeding to the Krusty Krab establishment." That is not SpongeBob. Write, "Hey Patrick, let us go to work. I am ready." Short sentences, exclamation marks, repeated words, enthusiasm leaking out of every syllable. When you write text that matches how SpongeBob naturally speaks, the AI voice sounds 10 times more realistic. The model picks up the rhythm and the tone from your text structure, not just from the audio. Pro tip number 3. You are not limited to just SpongeBob. Fish Audio has voices for almost every cartoon character you can think of. Patrick Star, Squidward Tentacles, Mr. Krabs, Sandy Cheeks, Plankton, even Gary the Snail. You can create entire Bikini Bottom conversations with multiple characters, all in one project. Switch voices between lines, build a full dialogue scene, export the whole thing as one audio file. This is what separates OK content from viral content. Most people clone one voice and call it a day. Smart creators build multi-character scenes, and those are the videos that blow up. Here is the bigger picture.